Here we have Travis Ewing, one of the brainchilds, co-founder of the LavendianProject.com, one of the fastest growing, exciting dream network and making dreams happen. Travis, please tell us, where did you get this idea? What is this mission of yours, and what is your vision for this Lavendian project?
That's a great question, and I think the answer to that is going to be several-fold. I think there's going to be a lot of facets to it, but I think we can simplify a lot of what we're going to do and a lot of our goals in this short time. So I'll go over some of that. A lot of times people don't understand that that their dreams are within reach. We're sort of filled in society with dreams of, you know, just delusions of grandeur and materialistic things and billions of dollars. But what you really find out when you get to the heart of what people want and who they are is they realize that their dreams are actually probably more complex and strangely more accessible. And what I mean by that is that you can find people that will help facilitate your dreams. I've known a lot of people since we started this project. When you get down to it, they want to learn a skill. They want to learn to speak a language. They want to learn guitar. They want to learn how to express themselves artistically. And it turns out that there's a lot of teachers and that there's a lot of students. And once you take away this idea that it's got to be a monetary-based system solely, that can be part of it, but the fact that that's the exclusive way that you deal with people, you change that to where you're finding interactions with people that feed you just as much as they feed them. Amazing things can happen. And a sort of simple example of this would be, you know, something like on Craigslist, they say, like, you know, some guy needs a bunch of dirt. You'll go on there and you'll say there's free dirt, and some guy's going to need dirt for his garden. There's actually a lot of free stuff in this world, and as long as you put the right people in touch with the right other people, they can make connections that can very easily make dreams come true. I've experienced it, Stephen Saito's experienced it, our other partner Nathan Shaw's experienced it, a lot of other people. So what we wanted to do was create a social networking site where people could be honest about their dreams and find those connections to where it would be just effortless to accomplish the things you wanted to accomplish and to live a really fulfilling life. So I think we're really close to doing it.
Thank you very much. Awesome.